Alright guys, this is a new product review. It's from a company called SudsLab. It's their graphene ceramic spray coating. They do have another one that's available in Walmart. It's their ceramic sealant or ceramic spray sealant. This is a little bit of a step above that, guys. It actually holds up. I hope it's going to hold up pretty well. It's got a lifespan of about 9 months. So we're testing it out on the Garage Queen for the next 6 to 9 months to see how well it holds up. So guys, join me for this video and let's get into this, and we will show you the application, what it looks like before and afterwards, and the how slick it is. Don't mind the bottle the way it was when it in the slickness test. Unfortunately, guys, apparently I found out later on that after 24 hours when it cures, it is a hell of a lot slicker than initially when it is first applied. So there is a 24-hour cure period, guys. So join me for this video. Thank you, guys, and let's get into this.
Alright guys, there's a teaser in this video. I've got a little section where I did a new product that I'm testing out. It's a product from SudsLab called their GC graphene spray coating. Supposedly supposed to give 9 months worth of protection. We're trying it on the Garage Queen, guys. So I will give you guys a demonstration of what it looks like on the hood, and I'll give you an update over the next couple of weeks. In case it rains, just see what it looks like. It does say make sure that you keep the thing dry for 1 hour and do not wash for 24 hours. So this stuff does have a curing period. So hopefully it looks good when we're finished and it holds up pretty good, guys. So let me flip you around and I will show you the what it looks like after it's applied. Or no. And just to show you guys how slick this coating is, guys, that's the bottle, not even sticking. So guys, thank you for joining.
Alright guys, thank you for joining me for this video. That was the graphene spray coating from SudsLab. As I said in the beginning, guys, don't knock the slickness test. Unfortunately, I found out about 24 hours after I put it on. The slickness was like incredibly slicker than when it was first applied, and that's because partially of the curing period. Once as the coating cures, it gets slicker as it goes. As I said, I will be doing updates on this vehicle about every month and a half to 2 months. This coating was applied in, what was it, back in January of this year. So we'll be doing another application, basically testing and wash with rinseless wash for the winter sometime in February, and we'll give an update at that point. We'll do another one in March. We'll do one in April, May, June, and however long this coating lasts. It's going to be, once I hit the warmer months, it'll switch from rinseless washes, guys, to actual like hand washes with 2 buckets and soap and pressure washer and all that. So guys, thank you for joining me for this video. Like, share, subscribe, do what you want to do, and join me for the next one. Thank you guys.